Cooking frozen lobster tails, thawed versus unthawed.
Hello and welcome to another culinary exploration. Today we're diving deep into a question that might have crossed your mind. Will cooking frozen lobster tails without thawing alter their taste or texture? It's not always we have the time to properly thaw our seafood, but how does this impact the final dish? Let's find out.
Why would you thaw lobster tails?
Thawing is a common process often suggested in seafood recipes. The reason behind this is that thawing allows for even cooking. If you cook a lobster tail while it's still frozen, the outside will cook and potentially overcook before the inside is done. This uneven cooking might lead to parts of the lobster tail being too tough, while the inside could still be undercooked.
What happens if you don't thaw lobster tails?
Cooking lobster tails directly from frozen might seem like a great time saver. However, the texture and taste may be compromised. As mentioned before, uneven cooking could lead to a tougher exterior and undercooked interior. The taste might not be significantly different, but the texture difference will definitely be noticeable.
Are there safe methods to cook frozen lobster tails?
If you're pressed for time and really can't thaw your lobster tails, there are certain cooking methods you could employ to minimize the texture difference. One such method is steaming. Steaming allows the heat to penetrate the lobster tail more evenly, which can mitigate some of the texture issues. However, remember that it will take a bit longer to fully cook than if it were thawed. In conclusion, while you can cook a lobster tail from frozen, it's always better to thaw it first if you want to ensure the best texture and taste. However, if you're in a pinch, steaming is a decent workaround. Thanks for joining us in this culinary journey, and we hope this video helps you prepare the best lobster tail possible. Happy cooking!